So now introduction to IT and ITES and BPO services. What we'll be doing today, we will be doing learning about the uses of IT in different fields. Then see IT in education. How IT is used in education. Computer information technology are extensively used in education for teaching, learning and assessment. The software and hardware technology is used for creation and transmission of information in various forms, which include still pictures, audios, videos, and animation to the learners. So IT is used in education for it helps for the students also, and as well as the teachers also online. The learning becomes easy and accessible through IT. Learning makes it easy by using the IT. A lot of teaching resources are available for the teachers to teach in the better way. Online assessment helps to access the students without the biasness. The student, teachers, and educational administration, even stakeholders in the education sector have benefited with the integration of IT in education. Then ICT in classroom. How ICT is used in the classroom. E-learning classroom, that is, you're having the projectors in your classroom. Smart board presentation, then videos on experimenting, then creation of the images and the videos, how we create the images and the videos. Desktop publishing of the magazine, letters and documents, and educational games are given through IT. Then learning using CD-ROMs, media, and gathering information, education information on the internet. From the internet, you get the information. The next is education anywhere anytime. You can get the information education anywhere anytime. Student in India can access the NCERT books online through the website www.epathshala.nic.in or mobile app also. Apart from these, there are varieties of websites and the mobile apps to access educational resources on any topic. You can get the information on any topic. You can also contact a teacher or the trainer via internet to use the WBT. WBT means web-based trainings. Also, you can contact the different teachers online. In this way, education has reached the far-flung area by reaching the unreached. Then teaching aids and media. What are the different teaching aids and media? ICT is used mostly on the teaching aid in schools to use pictures, animation, and audio visual to explain subject that are difficult to explain. We can use pictures, animation, or the audio visuals to explain the subject which are difficult for the students. Make the lesson interesting using the presentation. We can make the presentation so that the chapters may be easily for understanding. Then organize lesson using the computers. Then obtain the information relevant to the subject. Then learning management system, LMS, learning management system, notebook you have to write. A learning management system, LMS, is being used by many countries to manage the school system. A student or teacher can register himself or herself on the official website to access LMS and get many services from LMS. The student can be benefited by using LMS as it can be used too. So LMS is used for both the teachers and the students can both use it. How it is used for the students? Learn lesson anytime and anywhere. You can learn the lesson anytime or anywhere. Submit queries, getting replies, and submit comments through forums. You can submit the queries, question what you are having in your mind. You can get the reply from there. You can submit the comments through the forums also. Then participate in the co-curricular activity via video. You can participate in co-curricular activities using the by video. Monitor the progress of the children by parents. You can monitor the progress of the of your child. Parents can do it. Then IT in entertainment. How IT is used in entertainment? Information technology has a major impact on entertainment industry. Internet is the major source of entertainment. So internet is the major source of entertainment. One can download, view movies, play games, chat, use multimedia, incorporate corporate visual and sound effects using computers. Then digital broadcasting has changed the way we experience television with more interactive program and participation. Then IT in communication. How IT is used in communication? Communication is used to convey message and ideas, pictures or speeches. A person who receives the just must understand clearly and correctly. Modern communication makes use of the computer system. We can use the computer for email, chatting, FTP, telnet, and the video conferencing also. Then IT in business. How IT is used in the business? Computers are used in business organization for the payroll, calculation, then budgeting, then sales analyze, financial and forecasting, managing and maintaining stocks also. A lot of business transaction happens through the internet called e-commerce. We can use the large amount of transaction using the e-commerce. Then IT facilitate marketing. customer visit, product browsing, shopping basket checkout, text and shopping recipient and process order. Then email, then e-conferencing offers, e-commerce offers services pertaining to processing, inventory and management, transaction documentation, presentation and gathering product information. Smart cards such as credit card and debit card are used in shops. These card has a metallic strip on which the user's personal identification number PIN and the account number is stored and can be read with it passes through a special reader. So you might have seen the credit card, debit card in which we are having a number is given over there, strip of metallic strip is given over there in which the personal information of the person is being stored. Then airlines use large scale computer application for the reservation system both in the airports and in the central reservation call centers. Other business that have a large scale computing requirement are insurance claim system and online banking, which both have a large number of users and operate interaction across one system. So here different examples of business are given over there which we use by IT in science and engineering. Scientists and engineers use computer for performing complex scientific calculations. So scientists and engineers use IT for doing the complex scientific calculation. Computer aided design CAD or computer aided manufacturing CAM application are used for drawing, designing and for simulating and testing the design. For testing the design and for simulating the design, CAD and CAM are used. Computers are used for storing large amount of data, performing complex calculation, for visualizing three-dimensional object. Complex scientific application like rocket launching, space exploration, etc. are not possible without the computer. So these things and not possible without the use of computer. Then IT in banking. How IT is used in banking? Computer is an essential part of modern banking system. Every activity of the bank is now online. So each and every activity, whether a transaction, whether putting the money into the account or withdrawing it, each and everything is in the bank is now online. The computer data and transaction are recorded by the computer recurring deposit, ERD, fixed deposit, EFD, money transfer from one account to another, NEFT, RTGS, online transactions are done using internet. So all these transactions are done through the internet. Capital market transaction, financial analysis and related services available in online platform. Bank customers use automated teller machine ATM for cash deposit and withdrawal or to view current balance. So ATM is used for what? For drawing or for depositing the money or for viewing the current balance. IT in insurance. Now how IT is used in insurance? Insurance company keep all records up to date with the help of computer databases. Procedures for continuation of policies, starting date, date of next installation, maturity date, interest due, survival benefits and bonus are declared by using the computers in insurance companies. Many online policies are also available which can be purchased by using the website of the insurance companies. So insurance, what is insurance? Insurance, it keeps a record of all the date with the help of computer database. It is having insurance are having different policies. We have to put the installment in it, and at the maturity date or um, we get much more money or for whatever the insurance company do, that is being done by the IT. IT in marketing. How IT is used in marketing? In marketing, computer are used for advertising of the product by using arts and graphic facility. It is possible to create interesting advertisement of various products so that the goal of selling can be achieved. Using e-commerce website, people can purchase item even sitting at home. Marketing is done through e-commerce. You can sit at home and do the marketing. You can do the window shopping also. Then IT in healthcare. How IT is used in healthcare? ICT is used in health sector in numerous ways. Hospital management is used to maintain and manage patient record as well as the various activities pertaining to hospital administration. Hospital also provide each and everything online. Then the computerized machine are used for ECG, EEG, ultrasound and CT scan. The variety of measuring instruments and surgical equipments are used to monitor patient condition during complex injuries also. Then expert system is used to diagnose healthcare. Manufacturing companies use computers to aid the production of diagnostic tools and instruments. Computer are an integral part of laboratories and dispensaries. They are used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases. So IT computers are used in diagnosing the different diseases also. Use of ICT in diagnose. How ICT is in diagnose? With the advancement of computer hardware and software technologies, various high-tech machines are used in diagnosis and to create treatment of critical diseases being done. Using expert system, disease can be diagnosed at the early stages and the patient can be given treatment accordingly. By using the expert system, diseases can be diagnosed early. Then they can get the proper treatment also. Patient can get the proper treatment also. The next first one is CAT, computerized axial tomography machine. Using this machine, three-dimensional 3D images of different parts of body can be made. These images are helpful in diagnosis of the diseases. So using IT, using the this 3D CAD, we can get the 3D image of the body. We can easily diagnose what disease we are having. Then MRI, magnetic resonance imaging machine. MRI machines are used to give the digital impression of the internal organization of the body by using strong magnetic field and radio wave. The digital images are very helpful in the detection and in deciding the treatment of disease. So MRI, what is MRI? It is used to give the digital impression of the internal organ of the body, and by using the strong magnetic waves and the radio waves. By this we can easily understand, recognize what disease we are having, and through by this we can get the treatment early. Next is ECG machine. ECG, electrocardiogram machine. The ECG machine is used to monitor the heartbeat. When the heart pumps blood to different parts of the body, some electrical impulse are produced. This machine records the electrical impulse and shows it in the form of graph. So ECG shows the result in the form of graph. Then cardiac screening machine. This machine displays the psychology of the heart and it displays the movement inside the heart. So it shows the psychology of the heart and what movement is being done inside the heart. Through this machine, it is possible to diagnose problem of the heart such as thinning of the veins and then recommend treatment. And like thinning of the veins, you might have listened that veins are being get thin. So what information, what treatment can be given, we can easily understand. Then EEG, electroencephalography machine. This machine is used to record the activities of the brain. It is used for the brain activity, what activities are being going into the brain, that is being recorded. The small electrical probes attached to the head and receive the electrical impulse of the brain and displays them on the computer screen. This device can retrieve the data in both states, whether a patient is awake or asleep. In both the condition it works, whether the patient is awake or sleep. Blood sugar testing machine. This device analyzes a sample of blood and determines the blood sugar glucose level. So blood sugar testing machine determines the sample of blood and determines the blood sugar levels. Then blood pressure machine, BPM. This device is used in the one of the wristband and can measure the blood pressure of a person at a rest when he or she is involved in some physical activities. Then IT in government and public services. How IT is used in the government and public activities. The government uses large-scale computer application in its daily operation and is actively encouraging e-governance practices. Digital India and e-governance initiative of Government of India are best example of this. Then government and non-government organizations, NGOs as well as international government agencies use ICT applications to communicate and provide various services to the people, which is called as e-governance. So there are various official web portals for the Government of India for an e-governance. There are various advantages of e-governance also. The income tax department, sales tax department, preparation of voter list, preparation of PAN cards makes use of the computer system. Many government services are available online. Electricity bill can now be paid online. The government uses electronic voting for election by replacing the traditional voting slip and ballot boxes. People can enroll themselves in the electoral roll through the state election commission portal. Computers are commonplace in modern society and tends to make previously laborious manual tasks of data entry much simpler and quicker. You can see in the during the elections also they have replaced the ballot boxes and now this election is being done electronically, which makes more easy that before it is being done manually. So computers have taken place in our society now. So on this time we will study till here only. Chapter is being finished. On the next presentation we will do the next chapter. Till then, thank you.